For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make beautiful buttercream flowers and put them on cupcakes to make pretty cupcake bouquets. So for your buttercream flower cupcakes, you're going to need to gather your materials. The first of which being plain cooled cupcakes and any American style buttercream that you choose. You'll also need some parchment paper squares. They don't have to be exact, just cut them into squares roughly about 2 by 2 inches. You'll also need decorating or piping bags. Then you're going to need some piping tips and a flower nail as well. You can find all of these in a handy piping beginner's set, but basically the tips that you'll need are the petal tip. This is the one that looks like a teardrop. You'll also need the leaf tip. You'll need an open star tip and a small regular round tip. Here's a flower nail. This is what it looks like, and you can get these in most starter piping sets. And you want to use a coupler. It's not necessary, but as you'll see as we go on in the tutorial, it does make things a lot easier. So now that we have all our materials, let's get started. And there you have it, beautiful flower bouquet cupcakes. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy your cupcakes.